Hello, this is Chuck from Advanced Waterfall Systems, and today we're going to explain to you why any contractor with half a brain and a little bit of common sense can install any AWS system successfully and profitably without ending up in a courtroom with problems, right? So it's funny, we developed AWS, and first of all, the things that people say to us when we explain what we do and the product company we built, the first thing they say is it real rock? Because there's never been a natural stone, custom designed, real rock waterfall building system ever. It's first of its kind. So even when you tell them 14 times it's real, they still say, is it real? It's real. Number one, it's real. Then number two, they say, yeah, well, my guys can't do that. My guys can't build waterfalls. And I tell them they don't need to know how to build waterfalls. I want to explain to you why any half-decent contractor can install an AWS system. It's like any problem. When you take a problem that might look monumental and you break it down into bite-sized pieces, manageable pieces. So what we have done at Advanced Waterfall Systems, we have broken down these projects into three parts. Okay, the first part is the waterfall component. In this case, that grotto, that rockwork, and that grotto. Plumbing's built in, natural stone, custom designed, engineered, pre-plumbed, tested, the whole bit. We have systemized the waterfall component. Pricing, sales, profit model, testing, shipping, all of it. It's systemized, okay, for success without having waterfall building experience, okay? The second part, the slide. Slides can be a little tricky to install. We've systemized that process. We have training videos on that, on how to install these slides. Systemized installation with exact, efficient, fast results. So we've systemized that. We have, I think, almost 50 training and project install videos on our website. So we have a pretty extensive education platform to educate you on how to do this, okay? Number three, the landscape component, right? The third part, the third component is the landscape component. Well, from a landscape perspective, you're talking about loose boulders, setting rocks, setting steps, using crushed stone, well-known skills. These are pretty regularly available skills. So that skill is available. It may be available in-house through your company, or it might be available through a third-party vendor relationship that you have. But landscape skills, which is the third component of the AWS system, is readily available. So when you take these big projects, and it could be one twice as large as this, and you break it into those three parts. You systemize the waterfall, you systemize the slide, and you work with a landscape contractor to install the landscape component. It allows you to tackle large waterfall projects by managing the pieces, bringing it together, and making above average profit with no headache. That's the AWS model.